and we discussed the rate of chemical reactions. And actually, we were doing an exercise that was the question or the chemical reaction. It is a formation of the ethanol from the glucose. It is written over here, and it is also produce the carbon dioxide. So our first question was, how is the rate of formation of ethanol related to the rate of consumption of the glucose? The relationship between the both rate of the formation and the rate for the consumption. And some of you started to talk about in the previous lecture. So I request any one of you, the first raise your hand or unmute yourself to answer this question, because this we have already learned, and now actually we want to engage you in this exercise. So if there is any confusion, so you must clear this confusion over here, because after this the main objective was how can you write the rate of reaction, and how can you compare one of the rate of formation or the consumption with the other one. So this is the main objective of this content, and at the end you must learn this subject, and if it is any difficulty you must ask me during this lecture. So any one of you, could you please explain how? Okay,
सर
it is Yasser. Okay, Yasser.
सर जो डीकम्पोजिशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज है ये 2 मोल बनाती है एथेनॉल के
So which one rate is faster as
सर
com
एथेनॉल इज फास्टर देन ग्लूकोज
very good. Ethanol is faster than the glucose. And if I ask somebody else, let's suppose Alina, so how much it is faster? The formation of ethanol, how much is faster than the glucose? Alina C. I think this is the name is written over here. Can you hear me? So please unmute yourself, and you must be very quick because we want to waste the time. And if it is no answer, just say me, okay, you maybe it is difficulty with you to understand right now the concept. Okay, Avas, could you explain how much the formation of ethanol
Is
is
two
from?
times greater than decomposition of glucose.
Very good. Exactly. It is written over here. It is 1 mole of this is going to produce the 2 moles of the ethanol. So this is 2 times faster as compared to the glucose. Or you can say this is glucose is 2 times less as compared to the ethanol, and vice versa you can see. So perfectly, those who have done, it is the right answer over here. So moving to the second question, write the relationship in terms of the these rate, because the first we are going to talk about the rate of formation inverse, rate of decomposition, and now if you write the rate of the reaction, even you can call it, this is the relationship in terms of the these change in concentration of ethanol per change in time, or change in concentration of glucose with the change in time. And this is in the symbols form, or and even you can maybe I will ask, write down the rate of reaction of this reaction, and even there the carbon dioxide is missing, but here I have restricted this the question to this answer only. So just you have to express the rate of the reaction by using only the concentration of the ethanol and the glucose. So what would be your answer over here? So first write down on your notebooks, and just after 1 minute, I am asking the answer, anyone from you. So just write down the rate of the reaction in your notebooks, whatever you are using, and then I will be calling the name and to discuss the relationship between these two reactant and the product. I am explaining. Okay, just let me first finish this one because I want to explain the both of the question. So the first question was the formation of ethanol and with the rate of the consumption of the glucose, and this is given in the even in the reaction. 1 mole is going to be consumed and 2 moles of the ethanol is formed and 2 mole of the carbon dioxide is also formed. So the rate of this is more as compared to the rate of the glucose, and this would be your strategy. So how can you actually, you are calculating which one is faster or slower? You have to look at the balanced equation. Here there is one molecule, or you can say 1 mole producing 2 moles. So 2 moles of ethanol are produced for each mole of the glucose. That means each 1 mole is producing 2 moles of the ethanol. So the rate of formation of ethanol is twice as compared to the rate of the consumption of the glucose. And
सॉरी
this,
क्लास हो गई
बच्चे ये अनम्यूट करें और उसके बाद आप first unmute yourself. And now this is the actually now we are going to conclude. How can you compare the rate of formation or consumption? Just have a look at this the reaction, any of the reaction, and look at the coefficient what they are having, or the number of molecules or the moles they are having, and more number of the molecules, that means more will be the rate of the formation of the combustion. And even you can, if you want to compare the rate of formation between the carbon dioxide and the ethanol, can anybody explain which one is faster than each other? Is ethanol is faster than carbon dioxide, or carbon dioxide is faster than the ethanol? Can
सर
any,
दोनों सेम
I think both are the same.
both are the same
Both
perfectly?
will be the same.
Both will be the same. Very good. And this is actually the net result of this topic. So because 2 moles forming 2 moles, that means each mole is forming the each mole of the carbon dioxide. So there is no change, the difference in the rate of formation of the both of the products, because the molar ratio is same. And this you can compare. Again, we have compared only these two. The ratio between is 1:2. And in similar to the ethanol, the carbon dioxide 2 times twice as compared to the glucose. Moving to the second question. This is the rate of formation of ethanol. That means you have to display with the positive sign. Again, if the positive sign is not written, it is understood it is the positive sign. So all products are shown with the positive sign. So this is a very basic information or the knowledge you are keeping with. And the rate of the consumption or the decomposition, that is the same terms we are going to use. And each reactant will be shown with the minus sign, because these are being consumed or decomposed during the reaction. That's why their rate must be expressed with the minus sign. So this is the rate of decomposition. Minus sign is showing this is the decomposition or the consumption. This is the change in concentration of the glucose with the change in time. This is the rate of decomposition of the glucose. And this is the rate of formation of the ethanol. Now, what would be the rate of reaction? Some of you have already described. Now, again, just have a look. If you want to further clarify the concept, just watch the previous video again, where I have explained in detail. But here I am briefly explaining again. Just have a look at the coefficient of the reactant and the products, and whatever it is written alongside the molecules, you have to divide by that particular coefficient. So there, because here we are just comparing the two, so there are two options. One is if you want to make the equal rate of the consumption and the formation, then the one option is you have to divide by ethanol is 2, because you have already discussed over here in the first question, the rate of formation of ethanol is twice as compared to the glucose. So you have to divide by 2. So this is one option. And in the previous lecture, we have also discussed there is another option, even you can multiply by this one. So this would be the also the rate of the reaction. So here one example is given over here. This is the rate of formation of the ethanol. Minus sign is showing the decomposition. This is the rate of the decomposition of the glucose. And here again, I am multiplying this one. This is also correct. And other one option is you just cancel out the 2 over here and you can divide 1 by 2 with the ethanol. This option is also correct. So I am using the first one, which is not given over here, because this is very simple. You just look at the equation or the reaction, and whatever is the coefficient is written over here, you just are dividing that coefficient. That will be the perfectly the rate of the reaction. So yes, now you can ask if somebody was asking the question.